Good morning, students. So now we have to start with chapter number 3, human reproduction. In chapter number 1 we have studied about reproduction in organism. In chapter number 2 we have studied about reproduction in flowering plants. All the different events we have studied in reproduction in plants. Same type of event we have to study here, but here the organs are different. Now first try to understand some terms. The very first term is sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism. If we can say, like if there is a baby of 4 months, 5 months or 6 months wearing clothes, we cannot differentiate which one is baby girl or which one is baby boy. So there is a term that is sexual dimorphism. Di means to, morphoming form. That means in male and female there are different form. By some characters, by some external characters, we can identify which one is male, which one is female. Is known as sexual dimorphism. So there are many differences in we can say adult male and female. You have to identify what type of differences we can see which one is male and which one is female. Now second term is known as puberty. Puberty is a age from where any we can say male or female, means boy or girl, able to produce gametes. Able to produce gametes. We can say in case of girls, this is generally 9 to 12 year. In case of boys, this is from 12 to 14 year. This may vary 1 or 2 year in different cases. This is only a elementary idea. Now next is a gametogenesis. In reproduction in flowering plant, we have studied that different events like fertilization, post-fertilization and pre-fertilization events. That means there is a fertilization. Before fertilization there are pre-fertilization event. After fertilization there are post-fertilization events. Now, what are the different pre-fertilization event? What are post-fertilization event? We have to study one by one. So very first is gametogenesis. That means formation of gametes is known as gametogenesis. There are two type of gametes in human male and female, that is sperm and ovum respectively. Then insemination. In case of plants we have studied pollination. That is pollination is for transfer of gametes. So here the process insemination is a process by which human male transfer the gametes or sperm into the female's body. Then fertilization is the same fusion of male and female gamete. Then development of blastocyst. So now development of blastocyst. Here that means after fertilization, what is the different phases of development? That means from zygote to fetus. Then gestation. Gestation is a period from, we can say, formation of zygote or fertilization to the delivery of baby or parturition. We can say in human female is about 9 months. Then parturition. Parturition means delivery of a baby, and then lactation means feeding milk to the baby by mother. So we have to discuss in this chapter where these processes takes place and how they takes place. So sexual dimorphism, then puberty, then gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, development of blastocyst, then gestation, parturition and lactation. Now, if you talk about reproductive system, then there is human male reproductive system, then there is human female reproductive system. There are 5 major parts of human male reproductive system. 4 major part of human male reproductive system is a pair of testes, accessory ducts, then external genitalia, accessory glands. Pair of testes, it helps in formation of gamete. Accessory duct, they help in transfer of gamete from testis to another part. Then external genitalia help in insemination. Then accessory glands, some glands which are, we can say, which secretion necessary for the development of a sperm. Then in human female there is a pair of ovary, the same function of testis, here they form the gamete. Then oviduct, the same like accessory duct, they help in transfer. Then uterus is the site of a implantation, or we can say blastocyst development, then cervix is a canal, then vagina, that is birth canal, then external genitalia and mammary gland for, we can say, feeding the milk to the baby. So now we have to start with the structure of human male reproductive system, and very first we have to study about the structure of a testis. Okay. So first we have to discuss about the structure of a testis. Testis is in pair, and if the singular is known as testis, is, otherwise is known as a pair in testis, T-S-T-E-S. Now this testis is a pair which present outside the abdominal cavity in between two legs. Okay, in between two legs situated outside. Now they are in pair. Like this is the front view. They are covered by a pouch, and that pouch is known as a scrotum. The function of scrotum is maintain the temperature of testis 2 to 2.5 degree less than the body degree temperature. Our body temperature is 37 degree. The temperature of testis is 35 or 34.5 degree. This less temperature is essential for formation of sperm and storage of sperm. So function of is a pouch which maintain the temperature low of testis 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius. Now these testes are oval in shape. The shape is oval. The width is 2 to 3 centimeter and length is 4 to 5 centimeter. It would be easy for you to learn it like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to 3 is width and 4 to 5 is length. Okay. So scrotum, pair, then 2 to 3, 4 to 5 and 2 to 2.5 degree less temperature. Now come to structure of a testis. Like testis is a round or oval structure, we can say. If we cut the section of testis, then we can say there is a hard covering on the testis. Like this, we can say this is the covering, and this tough covering has the 3 different layers. This tough covering has 3 different layers. They are known as tunica. So the outermost is known as tunica vaginalis. After that is known as tunica albuginea, and last one is known as tunica vasculosa. The detail of these layers are not in our syllabus, so don't go beyond this. So only just remember this is a tough covering which protect the, we can say, testis or covering of testis. Now see, if we see the testis, then we can see about different compartment. See this, like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are different compartments. So here, if we cut the section of testis, then we see about 250. How many are there? 250 different compartments, like 1, 2, 3, 4. They are actually 250 compartments. That means each testis is divided into 250 compartments. Is clear? Now see the next thing. Now in each compartment there are 1, 2, 3. How many? It may be 1, it may be 2, or it may be 3. 1, 2, 3 highly coiled tubules. What are they? 1, 2, 3 highly coiled tubules. Like this. Here I have shown 1, here I have shown 3, here I have shown 2, here I have shown 2. That means they may be 1, 2 or 3. If we are taking 3 and there are 250 compartments, then 250 into 3, 750, we can say tubules are there. And these tubules are known as a seminiferous tubules. What are they known as? Seminiferous tubules. Okay, so seminiferous tubules are which are present in the compartment of testis. There are 250 compartments. In each compartment there are 1, 2, 3 highly coiled tubules are there, and they are known as seminiferous tubules. we have to study the structure of seminiferous tubule in a separate, we can say, video. We will see the detailed structure of the seminiferous tubule. Now seminiferous tubule further becomes straight and form a straight tube. Then this enter into a very short tube that is known as a ratty testis. Earlier I have told you there are some accessory ducts. So there are 4 different accessory ducts. Very first is known as ratty testis. So ratty testis is the duct which just join with the tube of seminiferous tubule. This ratty testis is, we can say, inside the structure of testis, so it's not visible from the outside. Then this ratty testis will open into a small tube known as vasa efferentia. There are 2 words, one is efferentia and second is differentia. Efferentia mean towards, differentia mean away. So 2 tube होगी, one is vasa efferentia and second is vasa differentia. तो efferentia वो होगी जो टेस्टिस के नजदीक है, वो जो टेस्टिस से दूर है वो होगी vasa differentia. Okay, so it will lead to vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia lead to a coiled tube or dense packed structure is known as epididymis. Now this epididymis is present the posterior surface of the testis. Now see, this is the testis. Okay, this is the, we can say, anterior part of testis. Now if we see this part, that means the epididymis present the posterior surface. अगर मैं सामने से देखूं और टेस्टिस को सामने से देखूं तो एपिडिडाइमिस मुझे कहाँ दिखाई देगी? पीछे की साइड पे, ऐसे, इस टेस्टिस के ऊपर ऐसे. Is clear or not? So epididymis. Then this epididymis lead to a long tube known as vasa deferens. तो सीक्वेंस क्या रहेगा? First is covering, after covering compartment, then seminiferous tubule, then ratty testis, then vasa efferentia, then epididymis, then vas deferens. Okay, ये एपिडिडाइमिस स्पर्म को स्टोर करने का भी काम करती है, हम बाद में इनके बारे में और पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा सा. तो ये क्या रहेगा? दैट मींस स्पर्म, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म विल टेक्स प्लेस इन दिस सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स. तो स्पर्म यहाँ से एक रूट होगा स्पर्म का, दैट मींस सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल टू रेटी टेस्टिस, देन वास डिफरेंशिया, देन एपिडिडाइमिस वास डिफरेंस. नाउ हाउ द वास डिफरेंस प्रेजेंट. अब देखो जो वास डिफरेंस है वो इससे ऐसे निकल के, सपोज दिस इज आवर यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर के ऊपर से ऐसे आती है, लाइक दिस इज द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से ऊपर से ऐसे घूम के ऐसे आएगी एंड इट विल मिक्स विद द आर यूरेथ्रा में जाके मिलेगी. हम देखेंगे आगे कैसे. ओके, सो ऐसे दिस इज आवर यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, और लाइक दिस यू कैन सी इन डायग्राम आल्सो. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टेस्टिस. सो ट्यूनिका वेजिनालिस, एल्बुजिनिया, वेस्कुलोसा, seminiferous tubule, ratty testis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. ओवल स्ट्रक्चर है, 2 to 3 सेंटीमीटर, विड्थ 4 to 5 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ है 2 to 2.5 डिग्री. लेस टेम्परेचर रहता है. 250 कंपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. इन वन कंपार्टमेंट देयर आर 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules होती हैं. There is a scrotum which is a pouch which covers all the testes located outside the body, known as scrotum. और वो क्या करता है? इसके टेम्परेचर को क्या करता है? लो करता है. These are the accessory ducts like ratty testis, vas efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. They help in transport of a sperm. Okay. Now come to structure of seminiferous tubule. How many seminiferous tubules are there in one compartment? 1, 2, 3. And how many compartments are there? 250 in one testis. Now see this is the one seminiferous tubule, this is the another seminiferous tubule, and this is the another seminiferous tubule. Outside the seminiferous tubule, a space known as interstitial space is known as interstitial space. Now in this seminiferous tubule the inner lining of seminiferous tubules is we can say surrounded by two different types of cell. One is known as the short cell is known as germ cell. Germ cell are mother cell. Germ cell are mother cell. If you remember that we have studied megaspore mother cell and microspore mother cell. After we can say MMC undergoes meiosis, they form the gametes. So same process would be here. So germ cell, they are the mother cell, they form the sperm cell by the process of meiosis. Then there are some long cell and they are known as a Sertoli cell. They are known as a Sertoli cell. So one type of cell is germ cell, male germ cell, and second is known as Sertoli cell. So male germ cell क्या करेगी? They form the sperm, that is they are the sperm mother cell, and Sertoli cell will provide the nutrition to the developing, we can say, male gamete. So Sertoli cell will provide nutrition. If you remember the tapetum in case of माइक्रोस्पोरोजेनेसिस, tapetum क्या प्रोवाइड करवा रहा था? न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करवा रहा था. यहाँ पर कौन न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? Sertoli cell. Then what is this spermatozoa and spermatogonia? We will discuss in the at the time of gametogenesis. So here the germ cell, male germ cell, inner lining, they are in an inner lining. Okay, like this is the tube और इस ट्यूब को मैं ऐसे खोल दूँ अंदर से, तो अंदर से मुझे ये चीजें दिखाई देंगी. So male germ cell and then Sertoli cell. The space outside the seminiferous tubule is known as interstitial space, and this interstitial space contains two type of things. One is blood vessel for blood connectivity, and second is interstitial cell. Interstitial word कहाँ से है? Interstitial space से. So blood vessel and interstitial space cells. So this interstitial cell also known as leading cell, also known as a leading cell. Okay, so leading cell का क्या काम होगा? ये एंड्रोजन बनाएगी. What do you mean by androgen? Androgen means male hormone. And what is the name of male hormone? That is testosterone. Clear? So inner side there are two type of cell. Male germ cell, they form the sperm. Sertoli cell provide nutrition. Then outside space, this is known as interstitial space, contain blood vessel, interstitial cell, and or leading cell form the androgen. Androgen is also known as male hormone, we can say, and name of male hormone is testosterone. So this is the structure of seminiferous tubule. It's a very important structure in this chapter. Okay, so this is all about the structure of testis, the structure of seminiferous tubule. After that we will study about the human male reproductive system complete. Okay, thanks.